So 10 years ago, I started with Robert doing a kitchen remodel. We ended up doing 6 remodels to the same house. Larry entered my life and we found that we loved working with Robert and we loved working with Mountainwood Homes, and they were just the right builder. They became our builder for life.
The words trust come to mind. It's an intangible. You interview a bunch of people and we love the outcome, we love the creativity. And Mountainwood and Robert and Heather, when they started the company, we clicked with them, both personally as friends, and then you trust them as business partners.
We love the integration of the design team with the fabulous construction team and the great PMs. We've been very fortunate to have great relationships with all of them.
Yeah, I think the creativity of the entire process, the initial design and creativity that Robert brought to the beach house and that he brought to our current house. We're building a second house, which is maybe a testament to why we trust Mountainwood. Bring a set of ideas. Have some discipline about what you want to do. Don't just come in and say, oh, build us a house and then walk away, which I know sounds silly, but bring ideas, integrate those ideas, create a dialogue is incredibly important. And without making it too simple, have fun. The people here are fun. They want to do a good job.
You have to be patient. You have to persevere because things aren't always going to go the way you anticipate. You have to be nimble and flexible, but the outcome is going to be your baby. It's going to be what you want. And that's what we've been able to create many times with Robert and the Mountainwood team.
The little silly Nike slide, just do it. I mean, don't be scared. It's fun to see how Mountainwood has grown, to be real candid. It's fun to see, we met in Heather and Robert's kitchen in their dining room table 10 years ago. And to see the different places and to see how the team has grown, to see how the people have fun with it. But just do it. Don't let nervousness scare you away.